building an AI agent that maintains conversation history while tracking its own operations starts with this fundamental state management pattern. You'll see how Langgraph uses Python's standard TypedDict with annotated list, operator add, to create a type-safe state container that handles message persistence. This approach demonstrates the core pattern for state evolution in Langgraph, where messages accumulate predictably and operational metrics like LLM calls can be tracked exactly as shown in the official documentation's Quick Start examples. The pattern remains valid whether you later enhance it with Langgraph's specialized reducers or keep this straightforward implementation.
From LangChain, messages import any message. From typing extensions, import TypedDict, annotated. Import operator. Class messages state, TypedDict. Messages, annotated list any message, operator add. LLM calls, int.
This demonstrates Langgraph's core pattern of type state management using Python's standard TypedDict and annotated features. The example defines a state container that tracks conversation messages and LLM call counts, where operator add handles message list updates through simple concatenation. This approach aligns with Langgraph's design philosophy of building on standard Python typing while providing a clean foundation for state evolution. The pattern works by treating state as an immutable structure that evolves through predictable operations, with type annotations ensuring only valid data enters the system. The annotated type with operator add creates a reducer that automatically appends new messages to existing ones, while additional fields like LLM calls demonstrate how to track execution metrics. This separation of state definition from business logic allows the framework to manage complex workflows while keeping agent behavior focused and maintainable. This approach matters because it establishes a robust foundation for agent state management that scales from simple examples to production systems. The pattern shown here appears in Langgraph's official documentation as a valid starting point, with the understanding that developers can later enhance it with specialized reducers like add messages for more complex message handling. The example effectively demonstrates how standard Python typing features combine with Langgraph state management to create predictable, type-safe agent workflows. Let's break it down line by line.
From LangChain, messages import any message.
Imports any message from LangChain as the base type for message objects in state management. This enables type-safe message history tracking using Python's standard typing features, following Langgraph's design pattern of building on TypedDict and annotated. The example uses operator add for basic message list concatenation, a valid starting point shown in Langgraph's official documentation. For more advanced use cases, developers can optionally replace it with Langgraph's add messages, reducer to handle shorthand formats and in-place updates.
From typing extensions, import TypedDict, annotated.
Imports TypedDict for type-safe state containers and annotated to attach reducer functions to state fields. This demonstrates Langgraph's pattern of using standard Python typing features for state management, where operator add provides basic list concatenation for message updates. The LLM calls counter is declared but unimplemented in this example, showing how additional state fields can be added while maintaining type safety. Production code often extends this pattern with Langgraph's add messages, reducer for enhanced message handling, though this basic approach remains valid for simple cases.
Import operator.
Imports Python's operator module to enable list concatenation for the messages field using operator add as the reducer. This demonstrates Langgraph's state management pattern using Python's standard TypedDict and annotated types, where state updates are handled through predictable operations. The example shows the foundational approach from Langgraph's official documentation, where OperatorAdd provides basic message list concatenation. For more advanced use cases, you can optionally use Langgraph's add messages, reducer, which handles message shorthand formats, but this basic pattern remains valid and is shown in the official examples as a starting point. The LLM calls counter illustrates where you would track API usage metrics in a real implementation.
Class messages state TypedDict.
This defines a messages state using Python's TypedDict with annotated listAnyMessage, OperatorAdd, implementing Langgraph's recommended pattern for state management. The OperatorAdd reducer enables immutable state updates by concatenating message lists, which aligns with Langgraph's functional design philosophy. The pattern appears in official Langgraph documentation as a valid starting point, with add messages available as an optional enhancement for handling message format shorthands. The LLM calls counter demonstrates where you track API usage, though this example focuses on the core message storage pattern.
Messages, annotated listAnyMessage, OperatorAdd.
This implements Langgraph's state container pattern using Python's TypedDict with annotated types. The OperatorAdd reducer handles basic message list updates, demonstrating the foundational approach shown in Langgraph's official documentation. For more advanced use cases, you can optionally replace it with Langgraph's add messages, reducer, which adds support for shorthand message formats and in-place updates. Langgraph typed state foundation. This pattern demonstrates Langgraph's core approach to state management using Python's TypedDict with annotated types, exactly as shown in the official documentation. The messages state class combines listAnyMessage with OperatorAdd to create a typed state container that handles message list updates through predictable operations, matching the basic examples in Langgraph's own tutorials. While production code often uses add messages for enhanced message format handling, the official documentation presents this exact OperatorAdd pattern as a valid starting point for state management. The declared but unused LLM calls counter illustrates how additional state fields can be incorporated while maintaining type safety through the TypedDict structure.
The state that carries no messages holds all conversations